Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as usual, I want to share to you all about 3 reasons why Ethereum killer Cardano will see 40% upswing. So before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cardano is at a make or break point where a 40% price rally is likely in the altcoin. Cardano has witnessed a slew of development since May 2022. The Ethereum killer network recently hit a new milestone, functioning for 1,000 days without suffering an outage. Cardano has proven its reputation as one of the most stable networks in the crypto ecosystem. For the past 5 years, Cardano tackled extremely high loads without an outage. The network has functioned smoothly despite a rise in the number of decentralized applications on its blockchains. Notably, over 100 new projects were launched on Cardano over the past week. Cardano price is at a make or break point, and the altcoin is ready for a 40% breakout. The weekly support and resistance levels for Cardano are $38 and $77. The price of Cardano is likely to witness a 40% rally in its price after a decline to support at $38. Cardano has completed 2 liquidity runs since mid-June 2022. Cardano fractal revolves around liquidity collection and started with a round up to 527 in the run that started on June 19. The first liquidity run started and resulted in a claim on July 22. The second liquidity run passed Cardano. The next liquidity event is likely to push Cardano to support at and 40% rally thereafter. Since both liquidity events that occurred in Cardano's price trend started at $47, a key support level for the Ethereum killer. A 40% price rally implies a run-up to the monthly resistance of the positive development in Cardano's ecosystem and the rise in the number of projects being developed on the Ethereum killer blockchain have fueled a bullish sentiment among investors. ADA USD fractal contract. The maximum point scenario implies a further decline in Cardano's price after plummeting to a weekly support at Cardano. Downtrend is likely to get extended in case of a bullish invalidations, a failure to cross the resistance. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this article are solely the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views, no informations to do their own research before investing in cryptocurrencies. So maybe just this for today, and don't forget. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.